Rule D. All sentences are entered in small case letters. So all sentences should be entered in smaller case letters. So this is rule D. Now rule E. C has no specific rules for position at which a statement is to be written. That is why it is often called a free form language. So it has no rules or position at which statement should be written. So we can write anywhere, any statement anywhere. So that is what why it is called free form language. So in Arduino, when we are programming Arduino, we have to write or define variables, or what can we say, that we are using some numbers or we are using some characters that we have to define at beginning of program. So while coding with dealing with Arduino, so C is not like that. C has not specific rules for the position at which statement is to be written. That is why it is often called a free form language. Rule F. Every C statement must end with a semicolon, thus acts as a statement terminator. So every C statement must end with a semicolon. So semicolon is compulsory for every statement. So this is rule F. Let us now write down our first C program. It would simply calculate simple interest for a set of values representing principal, number of years and rate of interest. So first we will write down a C program which would calculate simple interest for a set of values. So this is basically a program of simple interest, that is P into R, N into R. Main. So this should be written in every program. Main, then int pn, so integer p and n, that means p and n are two integers. Now float r and si, so r and si are two floats, that means they have decimal digit in their number. Now p is equal to 1000, now n is equal to 3, and r is equal to 8.5. So simple interest, so this is formula for simple interest. SI is equal to P star N star R divided by 100. So this is formula for simple interest. Now printf percent %f comma SI. So simple interest is printed now here. Comment about the program should be enclosed within these brackets. For example, the first two statements in our program are comments. So these were comments. So we can write comments like this. Though comments are not necessary, it is good practice to begin a program with comment indicating purpose of program, its author, and the date on which the program was written. So comments are not necessary, but it is good practice to begin a program with a comment, so we can understand what this program is about, so reader can understand for what this particular line in program is written for. So comment are important for that. Any number of comments can be written at any place in program. For example, a comment can be written before statement, after statement, or within statement, as shown below. So the any number of comments can be written, so it can be 1 2 3, any number. So they can be also written in any place. So this is an important point, that it can be written anywhere. So anywhere means it can be written at before program, then between program and after program. So this is example of that. So comment in star formula, then slash complete, SI is equal to P star N star R divided by 100. So formula is a comment. So from this line we understand that this is a formula for simple interest and this is a line for formula. So comments are useful in this way.